Following weeks and weeks of leaks and teasers, Samsung has finally taken the wraps of the first two additions to the next generation of Galaxy A series. Galaxy A51 and its beefier sibling Galaxy A71 both made an official debut at a launch event in Vietnam. The deal promises a reimagined design, language and a ton of impressive specs. Let's dive in. The Galaxy A51 borrows a scented punch-hole design from its premium cousin Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and embeds it on its Infinity-O SuperAMOLED display. It measures 6.5 inches and produces an FHD Plus resolution under the display sides and in-display fingerprint reader. Right from the get-go, the A51 paints a flagship-tier picture. The camera is arranged in an L-shaped design, which may very well become the iconic look of Samsung's offerings in 2020. But it comes as no surprise since a slew of leaks had already given us a peek at it. The full lens setup is made of a 48 megapixel shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, a pair of a 5 megapixel depth and the macro sensors. Under the hood, you get an Exynos 9611 chipset up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's retailing for $345 in Vietnam. The A71 seems to mirror the design language of A5. You get the same L-style optics and scented punch hole but in a 6.7-inch package. The pixel count is a huge leap forward from Galaxy A51. However, the primary lens maxes it out at 64 megapixels, but the secondary lenses are carried over from A51's quad camera. You are also looking at a major step in performance. Instead of Exynos, the Galaxy A71 is powered by a Snapdragon 730 chip alongside 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. A 4500 mAh battery drives this hardware and supports up to 25-watt fast charging. In the same vein as A51, it runs on an Android 10-based One UI 2.0. Samsung has yet to share the pre-order and pricing details for Galaxy A71, but we do know that it will be available in 4 different colors options. So before go to the next video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.